Hi everyone and welcome to this video. Today I'm excited to be sharing with you this system that has different tools under one roof, and this system enables you as a business person to create funnels, to do email marketing, to do website building, business automation, affiliate management. You can create your own affiliate and manage it within the system. This is Systeme.io, a tool that is very helpful to anyone who is running their business. One, because it's very easy to use and it has great features, and secondly, it is well packaged in terms of affordability. Let's begin by looking at what you get and at what cost. So you can come in at a free plan, start at a free plan, and this is what you get. You're able to collect emails, 2,000 of them. You can send unlimited emails. You can create up to 3 funnels, and you can do one blog. You can create one course and a free package and have unlimited students. And you can create one workflow. You can do one email campaign per month, and as you can see, you have a lot that you can benefit from, even being a free member. When it comes to the startup option, where you pay $27 per month, then you're able to collect 5,000 contacts. You send unlimited emails. You can create sales funnels. You can create up to 5 courses. You can have 5 communities. You can do workflows, 5 of them. Again, at the third option, that is $47, you get to collect 10,000 emails. You can do unlimited email sending, sales funnels, 50 of them, sales funnel steps 300. You can do 20 blogs. You can create up to 20 courses. And then when it comes to $97 per month, you get everything you get is unlimited. So, and of course, when you choose to do it manually, then to pay manually, then you pay much less. You get a 30% discount. Now let's look at the features that you get with Systeme.io. So this system helps you to stop having different tools to manage your business and have everything under one roof. And as you can see under your dashboard, you'll be able to see everything that is happening within your business. So the number of leads that you get are displayed there, and the sales that you make are displayed there. And you're able to create funnels, do emails. It's a system that is so easy to use that even a beginner, you don't have to be good in tech. You just need to come in and start working on it. To get started, please use the link at the description or below. That way I'll get a small commission as an affiliate, and I'll appreciate. So you can get started at no cost, and then once you get more experience with it and you like it, you feel that it is helpful to your business, then you can upgrade to one of these plans. And I believe, and I'm sure you will, because this is a good system for your business. Let's quickly go through what you can be able to do with Systeme.io, but I'm going to be making step-by-step guides or tutorials on each and every functionality of this tool. So be sure to watch out for those videos in my YouTube channel, on Facebook and Instagram. Okay, so let's start by first of all, everyone who is running an online business, be it selling physical products or even selling a course, a coaching service, digital marketing service, any kind of service, you need a funnel. This funnel will help you to first collect emails, and then secondly, take your leads through the system until they decide whether they are buying immediately or you need to nurture them until they buy later. And that is why we need a funnel. So for you to create a funnel for your business, you will come here and click on funnel, and then go to, on your right you will see create funnel, and then select what kind of funnel you want to create. Do you want to build audience, that is collect emails and build your email list? So this applies when you have a freebie, you want to give out something and you just want the emails, email addresses. You can also custom make for yourself from scratch. You can sell product or service or run a webinar. The beauty about System.io is that they have pre-made templates, so you just need to choose whichever you like and then customize it to fit your product or the service that you're selling. So we begin by first naming our funnel. Let's call it let's say we are selling a product that is dog food. As a free member, you're allowed to do up to three funnels. But now we saw that as the more you pay, the more funnels you're able to create. As you can see, I'm not allowed to do more because this is a free plan. So that means I will have to delete one. Let me delete one for the sake of this. Let me deactivate this one. So we're selling a product. Currency, under your settings, you'll be able to change to the currency that you want to be collecting money on, and then go back to your, come here and click on this, another name. Okay, so these are the steps that you're going to create. Very easy to do because most of this is pre-made. So we want to, of course, you can start with order form and thank you page. We need to start with like a welcoming page, or in this case a squeeze page. So you come here and name it. You can name it anything, welcome page, and then come here and choose if you need to nurture people, you can start with squeeze page. Then you choose from any of these pre-made. Okay, let me just take this. You can preview the templates. Can you see all the resources that you're getting even as a free member? Okay, if you're satisfied with that, just select the template and then edit template. And then you're able to edit. You've been provided with all the elements and blocks so that you can delete or even edit. If you want to edit this, just double click and write whatever that you want to write in there. And once you're done, you just save changes. For you to preview what you've done, you can click on this. To go back, click on this. To exit, to take you back to where your funnel is. So there's a lot that you can be able to do this. I would urge you to create an account for yourself, please use the link. And then it's very easy, it's self-explanatory. There's a lot of resources available for this, how to operate it. They also have very good customer support, and I'm also going to be creating a lot of videos just to guide you through so that you're able to work with System.io and enjoy automating your business. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.